90% of traders lose money because they trade randomly. But today, I'll show you one simple concept, support and resistance, that smart money uses every day. If you want high probability entries, perfect stop loss, and clean targets, this video is for you. Watch till the end because I'll share a simple strategy you can use on Forex and crypto. What is support and resistance? Support is a price level where the market stops falling and moves up. Resistance is a price level where the market stops rising and moves down. Think of support as a floor and resistance as a ceiling. How to draw support and resistance. Switch to higher timeframes H1, H4, daily. Mark areas where price rejected multiple times. Draw zones, not exact lines. The more touches, the stronger the level. Avoid drawing too many lines. Keep the chart clean. Support becomes resistance. When support breaks, it often becomes resistance. When resistance breaks, it often becomes support. This is where big moves happen. Simple support and resistance trading strategy. Buy setup. Price comes to strong support. Market shows rejection, bullish candle. Enter buy. Stop loss, below support. Take profit. Next, resistance. Sell setup. Price reaches strong resistance. Bearish rejection candle appears. Enter sell. Stop loss. Above resistance. Take profit. Next support. Common mistakes. Trading every level. Ignoring trend direction. Entering without confirmation. Not using stop loss. Pro tip: always combine support and resistance with RSI, MACD, or price action for higher accuracy. Support and resistance is not magic, it's market psychology. Master this, and your trading will change. If this helped you, like, subscribe, and comment S and R, and I'll make a live chart example video.